If it was 1969 and you had this car, you would have been the bomb diggity dog. This is a rally sport, super sport with a 427, a 4-speed, 411 posi rear end, and it has the classic houndstooth deluxe interior. Go to volocars.com. You'll find over 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with all the information, pictures, videos, financing. There's also a QR code on your screen and a link in the description. Either one of those will bring you directly to this car. But for right now, buckle up. Let's go for a spin. We just got this car from out west, Arizona, I believe. It's been a Western car. It has a California black plate in the windshield there. So I started with a real clean, solid car. And this gentleman we got it from, that's what he does, is restores Camaros. I will say it is a very thorough restoration. It's not that nut and bolt trailer queen car, but it's a very nice car. The fit and finish is excellent. It has the metal cowl hood. Everything is smooth and straight. Love these 69 body lines here. All clean, even under the rockers and the fenders. All real nice. Door opens easily. Jams real nice. Shuts very nicely. Quarter panels, the roof, no cracking, no silly business at all. This is all straight. Has the rear spoiler and a front spoiler. All looking nice, fits nice. The body's really excellent on the car. No vinyl top, just all beautiful hugger orange. All nice all through here. All around, like I said, under the rockers. Look how nice the door fits. Opens easily. Jams are very nice. Shuts very nicely. Paint has a smooth, glossy finish. Has the exterior trim package. That's the louvers, the rain gutters, and the wheel well moldings. That helps dress it up a little bit too. The Rally Sport, very desirable, is the hideaway lights. These are converted from vacuum to electric, so they open and close very nicely. And it does look like the grille, the bumper, emblem, front spoiler, all that's replaced. SS427. The moldings around the windows have been polished, door handles replaced. The window strips here and the weather strips are all in great shape. Emblems, mirrors, they've all been replaced. Sitting on 15-inch rally wheels in real nice shape. BFGoodrich tires look like they're new. All the glass was replaced all the way around. Has the blacked out tail panel, the back bumper and bumper guards all look sharp. And the Rally Sport has relocated reverse lights down here. Normally they'd be up there on a standard model. So it's a good looking car. 69 Camaro Coupe, no vinyl top, with the exterior trim package and the Rally Sport. Got a nice stance to it. Let's open it up, show you that interior, and then we'll get to that 427. All right, we got a nice, clean, simple trunk compartment. You paint it under the trunk lid, replace the sticker and the weather strip. The jam looks nice. Inside is clean metal with the spatter finish. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get notifications. Like I said, the jams are done nicely. Weather strip was replaced, or the sill plates. Now the deluxe interior includes molded door panels, which this has. They are new. Now looking across the instrument panel, this is original. There's sand or little speckles on the inside of the lenses, so they're not crystal clear. Original heater control panel is good, but not brand new. But we do have the Acran tack. We do have a clock. Original radios in place. Had the gauges in the console. Dash pad was replaced. Kick panels look good. Carpet's fresh, and there's a sound deadener underneath the carpet. Hurst 4-speed, best part of the interior. Has the original GM belts. The seats are re-cushioned, nice and plump, reupholstered, and again it has the houndstooth pattern. Headrests were recovered. Seat backs were reupholstered. Same thing back here. You got fresh side panels, got original seat belts. You got the houndstooth upholstery. Rear shelf was replaced. The headliner's been replaced and it fits real nice. His working dome light. Matching visors look fresh too. The mirror looks new. And then we got a new deluxe steering wheel. So yeah, very good interior. This type of car, you're going to be snapping necks and turning heads. So this is a 1969 427 engine. It has the rectangular port heads, the big heads that would have come on like a Yanko or an LS6 motor. And it has a polished aluminum intake on top. There's a Holley carburetor hiding underneath there. HEI ignition in back, and a set of coated headers. It has some vintage style thinned aluminum valve covers. The engine bay is good. Again, it's not taken to that concourse level, but it's good. It has new horns up front. Got aluminum radiator with the shroud. Dressed up with a little chrome bracket, alternator, pulleys. We got power steering. Then we have a all replaced power brake system. There's a hood insulation under the hood. So yep, a 69 427 motor. Michael's going to show you what that'll do. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Got that authentic 427 sound also. Totally amazing experience. How much fun. Okay. What a roar to the exhaust here. What a nice feeling interior too, like the seats have been re-cushioned. Power steering there, nice and smooth. Let's see what she's got. We got up to about 70 there. This is a fun one. This is one I just like to go around town, just go ahead and have a cool time all day long. Really makes a difference in the with that 427 on the hood. Let's see how it goes down the road. It's had a very nice straight alignment. Just a well-built car. Somebody's going to get themselves an absolute winner. If you'd like to come down to the museum for a test drive, you're always welcome. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath, the car is very good. The floors appear to be very solid. They're painted black. Suspension steering was gone through as needed. I can see some parts are very fresh. Our shop did service the car, did a few things to it, nothing ridiculous. Disc brakes in front, drum and back, e-brake is hooked up. It does have a new stainless steel dual exhaust with stainless steel Flowmaster FX mufflers. New fuel tank, and it's polished. I like that. When the car behind you, you're sitting at the light or following you, they see this nice shiny tank under there. And when you look up at the motor, it has a Melodon anodized oil pan, polished high torque starter. It's a Muncie 4-speed transmission. And back is a 411 posi 12-bolt rear end. According to the previous owner, all three of those have been rebuilt, the motor, trans, and rear. So there you go. That's the epitome of a muscle car back in the day. Again, 427 4-speed posi 69 Camaro looking like this. It's a hot ticket. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get your RSSS delivered home. Thanks for watching.